If you are preparing for a data analyst, data engineer, or SQL developer interview, there are some SQL questions that almost every company asks. In this video, I will show you 10 important SQL interview questions that frequently appear in interviews. And don't worry, I'll also explain them with simple examples so you can easily understand the concepts. Let's start with the first question. What is the difference between where and having? This is one of the most common SQL interview questions. Both where and having filter data, but at different stages. Where filters rows before aggregation. Having filters groups after aggregation. Example, rows over 100 using where. Then groups over 5,000 using having. 2. What is the difference between inner join and left join? Joins combine data from multiple tables. Inner join returns only matching rows in both tables. Left join returns all rows from the left table and matches from the right. Example shown with customers and orders. 3. What is a primary key? A primary key uniquely identifies each record. It cannot be null and must be unique. Example with customers table. 4. What is the difference between delete, truncate, and drop? These remove data differently. Delete removes specific rows and can use where. Truncate removes all rows, nowhere, faster. Drop removes the table structure and data. Example queries on screen. 5. What is group by? Group by aggregates data by categories like total sales by region. Query on screen. 6. What are SQL window functions? Window functions calculate across rows without collapsing them. Great for ranking, running totals, and moving averages. Example ranking employees on screen. 7. What is a subquery? A subquery is a query inside another, used when one result feeds another. Example, employees with salary greater than average. 8. What is the difference between union and union all? Both combine results from multiple queries. Union removes duplicates. Union all keeps duplicates and is faster. Example on screen. 9. What is indexing in SQL? An index speeds reads by locating rows faster. Without one, the database scans the table. Example index creation on screen. Use thoughtfully to avoid slow writes. What is the SQL execution order? Many think SQL runs as written, but it doesn't. Actual order is from, join, where, group by, having, select, order by, limit. Showing order on screen now. Conclusion. These were 10 important SQL interview questions every data analyst should know. If you're preparing for SQL interviews, make sure you understand joins, window functions, aggregations, query execution order. Mastering these concepts will make SQL interviews much easier to crack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone preparing for SQL interviews. See you in the next video.